Excellency, we can see that all is set. What do you think that Nigerians should be expecting from this convention tomorrow?
A very, very well organized convention. Usher in the new National Working Committee to put our party in the right direction, prepare our party for what's coming in front. I want to thank the chairman of the National Convention, particularly the chairman of the venue committee, for me, the job well done. I say the difference. We are not over-decorating. We will not come here to buy a rock for 7 or 10 plots of land. This is what they call simple, simple arrangements. You don't need to decorate the entire place. And I'm sure that tomorrow Nigerians will be happy when they are seen. Because tomorrow will be really a testimony that Nigerians will say, look, indeed, PDP has come back. For this convention that was nice, well organized, that will give them the impression that truly they were prepared for the future. I'm happy that all those concerned are putting their efforts, commitment to see that this convention becomes a reality. I want to sincerely thank all of them. It's not easy. If you're not involved, you don't know the energy and time it takes. So I will commend the Career Committee, outgoing the Career Committee, and members of the Board of Trustees, and all around committee members who are coming. So tomorrow, Nigeria expects well-organized operation that will shine with the leadership of the people's party.
Your Excellency, could you talk to us about the basics, the security arrangement? I know that during the APC convention, a number of roads were, shut out to the public. Are we going to be seeing that? What sort of security arrangements on ground?
Well, I'm not a chairman of the security committee, but I do know. When I spoke to him, he was here this night. I know I came here last night, and coming here again, I can see a lot of presence of security men that shows a lot of safety into consideration. As you are coming in, you see presence of security as well. I don't want to begin to compare what happened yesterday and what we're going to do. We're not here for comparison. We're here to organize our own convention the way conventions are supposed to be organized. We have the history convention. We have taken that to some people will be very funny. Of course, you things like this, you see some people who will be paid to come and they will cause one form of confusion or the other. Take notice of that, and I can tell you,
for the resident of SCT, because security will be tight, passing through this road, what will actually be the...
There are a lot of roads. SCT is old. We have a lot of road network. Here is not what we talk tomorrow Sunday, so we won't have that kind of traffic problem. So even if I should, so it's not even this convention, not going to be just once in a while. So if they are going to make some sacrifices for the sake of democracy, well, my advice is everybody should become orderly and to support what the committees have done. We want to have a well-orderly conducted convention. Delegates as they call it. Of course, the various must have told them they want us to conduct themselves. We don't want any noisy convention. We want a convention that will be a reference point to other political artists.
Thank you.
For all your efforts, for being here. And God willing, tomorrow will be a success. And Nigerians will begin to see that they are on the right side of history. May God bless all of us. Thank you very much.
DJ, continue your music.